How to log in Indeed account. If you want to log into Indeed account online, simply open your default web browser in a device. Search for Indeed account login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says sign in to your Indeed account. Then you'll be taken to the homepage of the Indeed bank. Below the homepage, you'll find a sign in button on the page. Tap on it. In this login page, you'll firstly enter your username in the username section and enter your password in the password field. Finally, tap on sign in button to log into your account. You can also tap on options button links if you want to. You'll find a forgot password button and forgot username if you have forgotten any. You can also find contact us and lab website links in the options. You can tap on those as per your convenience. And this was everything you need to know about logging into Indeed account online. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.